Hello everyone and welcome to another video. If you want to learn how you can use Digistore24 to create a passive income, stay tuned because that's what we're going to be talking about today. So if you don't know who I am, my name's Courtney and I make money with affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? The process of referring people to products and services and you get a commission. So if you like those kind of videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel, comment, like, and share this video because if you don't want to learn, I'm sure that somebody that you know or somebody that they know would like to learn. Okay, so let's get into this. Today we're going to be talking about Digistore24, how you can use this platform and make money on autopilot. So Digistore24 is like ClickBank, okay? If you've ever heard of ClickBank, Digistore24 is pretty brand new. If you don't have an account, a link will be in the description so that you can sign up. But first you have to pick the niche that you're in. Do you want to be in animal and pets, betting systems, business and investment, computer and internet, email marketing, dating and love and relationships, education, family and kids, fitness and health, food and drinks? You have to pick one of these niches, okay? My favorite is internet marketing and e-business because that's what I do. I love to teach people how to make money online and how they can create a passive income with just setting up this system and letting it work for you. So we're going to scroll through these products, okay? And you want a decent amount of money because you want to try to pay some bills, right? So it wouldn't make sense for us to try to promote a product that's like $70 commission or $30 per commission, okay? So what we want to do, and you need to review these products, okay? The product that I'm going to promote is called Done For You Services Affiliate Marketing System. And I have done research on this and it's a great product, okay? Wesley Virgin, if you've never heard of him, and Ariella, look them up and get some information. It's a great offer. So when you sign up for your thing, this is going to be your ID. And you want to make sure that the product you're promoting, guys, has different products that you can promote. They used to be on ClickBank. They are no longer. They're on Digistore24. So if you want the affiliate, you click yes, yes, okay? And then here's a video, but this is when they were on ClickBank, but they're not on ClickBank anymore, okay? So you want to make sure that they have their email swipes, okay? You're going to copy their email swipes and we're going to set that up, okay? Here's Facebook ad videos for Instagram promotions and Facebook ads, okay? The ad videos, okay? All right. And all this is, guys, is getting somebody to watch a webinar. They do all the selling for you, okay? And it teaches you the steps on how they're going to be able to sell somebody, okay? That's brand new that wants to get into marketing, all right? Sales like this is crazy, okay? These are some of their screenshots from people promoting this product. But anyway, we're going to go view this sales page, okay? And why that's important, I'm going to show you, okay? So we're going to get out of that. We're going to go to my promo link, okay? And this is the page it's going to take people, okay? So you see how there's the up at the top, register for your free training session below, okay? Now we're going to model this for our funnel, All right. We're going to create a new funnel. Go to ClickFunnels. If you don't have a ClickFunnels account, the link will be in the description. Go to funnels. We're going to build a new funnel. And you're going to name this funnel. We're going to collect emails because we're not selling a product and we're not hosting a webinar. So we just want to collect emails because if these people don't buy when they first see this, we have their email to follow up with them. So we're going to name this Done For You Services so we know what product we're promoting. Okay. Services. Okay. You don't have to add anything in the group tag. Okay. So we're going to have to select a template. Okay. So depending on the color scheme that you want, theirs is white with red and black and green buttons. Okay. So we can choose any of these templates that we want. All right. So just choose a template that is good for you. Okay. That you like, that you feel comfortable editing, because all we're doing is editing this. Okay. And I'm going to teach you how, so don't panic. We'll choose this one. Okay. Now we're going to click edit page because it just imported the template in for us. Now this template can be fully edited. So like up here, okay, I can click and I can erase this text. Okay. All right. And I can put register for your free training, and we can copy this. This is how easy ClickFunnels is. And we're going to paste this. Okay. And then we're going to copy this. We're going to get rid of that and we're going to copy this. Okay. Okay. And we'll just have to edit the text, but that'll be fine. So finally, and we'll pick that and we'll put the bold color is red. And we'll click this and we'll make this not bold anymore. All right. And then we don't have to add anything else unless you want to add. Tap the button below to reserve your spot now. We can do that as well. We'll add that element so we can have more text if you'd like. We're going to add a new row, one column. We're going to add a new element. Subheadline. We're going to delete this. Okay. And we're going to paste in what we copied. Okay. Now you can tap the button below if you want to underline this or bold it. You can do that. If you want to make it red, you can do that as well. Let me show you how to do that. You go bold color. Okay. So we're going to click this because we want to change the margins. So we're going to hit the top margin and we want it a little bit close because that seems kind of far away. And we want to edit this margin as well. You know, to see where we're at. So that looks good. Okay. And then we want to um, we want to um, change this because um, we're not doing we're not um, we'll put what did they put in there? They just put reserve my spot now. So they didn't put anything here. Um, or we can put this down here and we can delete this element. Okay. So we just hit the okay. All right. And then if we want to change this, like we want it closer or something, we can make it as close. We made it as close as it can. So we can change this margin. All right. And really, guys, if you're concerned about that or whatever, make sure you always hit save. Okay. So your progress is always saved. That way, if you leave, you can come back. All right. And, um, oh, we don't want that above it. We want it below it. Okay. So, um, we want them to enter their full name and their email address, but we want to change um, the button. So we're going to, I don't know why I right clicked. We're going to hit the settings. We're going to set the button text to yes, reserve my spot. Reserve my spot now. Spot now. Okay. And you just want to model so they have their buttons green. All right. So we can edit the color of this. Okay. So we're going to hit settings. We're going to hit, let's see. If you scroll down, here's the background color. They have theirs set to lime green. So let's do that. And then now what we need to do is we need to go over to Digistore and you need to get your affiliate ID, your link to share, so that you can promote this. Okay. So you make sure that you get the sales. Okay. So right click, click copy. And then we're going to go to settings and we're going to edit the action. And we're going to go to website URL and we're going to paste this in the box. Okay. And do you want it to open in the same window? Yeah, it can. Okay. So then you hit save. Don't worry about that. And then you want to make sure that your email software is integrated. So right here it says it's not integrated. So we're going to select, okay? We don't have Actionetics because if you have ClickFunnels trial, when you sign up, you automatically get Actionetics, but we're using GetResponse, okay? And we're going to set up add to campaign, okay? And then we're going to select a list, okay? And you might have different lists set up. I use GetResponse. The link for that for a free 30-day trial will be in their description. But I just wanted to show you guys how this works. And now it's connected. So every time somebody puts their email in, it goes into my email subscribers. So let's preview this, okay? Let's see what people see when they, and we'll look at this on mobile, okay? Because looks pretty good on mobile. Because you want to look at it in both places, because people might be looking at your funnel on their cell phone. All right. So we're going to we want to preview this, okay? So we want to, this is what your customers will see. We're going to enter this, all right? And then we're going to click the button, okay? And it takes you right to this page, okay? And then when they click this button, it's going to tell them to register for the turn your spare time into a profitable business, all right? And you're going to register for the webinar, okay? And watch the webinar, okay? So that's how you do ClickFunnels, and you're going to see how everything works and how to use Digistore24 to make some extra income online. Because see, what happens, guys, is once you have this well-oiled machine, and after your 14-day free trial, ClickFunnels is $99 or $97 a month, okay? So it is a business investment, but when you have this set up like this, you just have to do videos like I'm doing, or you can do Instagram posts and put this link in your bio and then tell people, click on the link in my bio, and it takes them to this page, okay? So you could be making thousands of dollars on autopilot using this software. So this software actually pays for itself. All right. So I hope that helped you learn how to use Digistore24. If you have any questions, please comment them below. I'd love to help you out. I'm also, because y'all stayed to the end of this video and watched all the way through the end, I'm going to leave the share funnel link to this. You can definitely import this into your ClickFunnels account and use it. Just make sure you change the email software and the direct link, okay? Because if you don't, it's going to go to me. All right, so I'm going to, that's going to be it for this video. If you like this video, please comment below. Let me know what your biggest takeaway from this video was. Like this video, share this video, comment below, subscribe to the channel, please. If you like videos on making money online and how to leave your 9-to-5, hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I release a new helpful video. I hope you guys enjoyed this training. Don't forget to grab your free copy of this funnel that we made today. It's absolutely free. I'm going to get rid of this because we don't need that on there, and we don't need that, but you'll be able to use this for your very own. All right, so like I said, guys, please subscribe to this video. I will leave this in the description for you guys watching the whole video because I want to help you guys succeed. All right, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful day.